Okay, welcome back to the third and final iteration of the Sonos unboxings. This is the Sonos 5, which is obviously the big boy of the Sonos speakers. We've got obviously this one in black, much bigger box than the previous ones. I've already taken the tape off the sides here just because it's impossible to do with one hand. So we've got a lock and unlock like switch for the box here on both sides, which feels, well, very expensive to say the least. I've never experienced anything like this on anything else. And then clearly this just lifts up, which is going to be hard to do. But as you can see, once the lid is lifted off, we've got the speaker displayed here in sadly more of a cheap cloth, kind of like the Sonos One was in. For some reason the Sonos Move felt like it was in a more premium, bag than this. So not really sure why that is, but I'll just get the sticker off this one again. With the sock off and the speaker out, just underneath we've got a charging cable box here, which again is a little hard to get out with my hands. And we've got a welcome pack with a quick start kit and a manual presumably, and a standard power cable, because obviously this is not a battery powered speaker. This is very much a home mains powered. And we've got, again, same materials as the rest, feeling very premium, very solid quality, very solid on the front, very nice matte black finish to it. And we've got the power connectors in the back and one button, so a very sleek design. Obviously we've got the touch buttons up here for everything else, and some like bits of rubber on the side here in case you wanted to sit it upwards, I guess. Looks a little bit sketchy, but definitely could be done. This unboxing actually is almost the least interesting of the three, which is strange. I expected it to be much more interesting than this. So as far as the unboxings go, the Sonos Move was definitely the best, followed by the One, followed by this. So if you want to see the reviews for these three, stay subscribed, and they will be up soon.